Hi guys, welcome back to Hobbies In. This is a floral jewelry tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make haathphool and attach those to the rings. First of all, we'll need a piece of fabric cut out perfectly that will cover our wrist nicely, and then we'll need some artificial flowers. I'll be detaching the petals from the inside plastic. Plastic is hard and will make our jewelry less delicate. I use two colors, larger yellow colors and the smaller flowers of white colors. I'm also using some more decorative twigs made from plastic that I got from the same bouquet that I got these flowers from. I'll use all of these in designing this haathphool. I'll paste them in a very decorative pattern so that it looks nice and beautiful. I'm using ribbon to paste on the fabric first so that this patch can be tied to my wrist later on. I'll be using ribbon to tie it. If you do not have chains, this is very cost friendly. I mean, it won't require much of your money. It's just a 2 rupee ribbon that you will be able to fix this haathphool on your hand, on your wrist. Now I'll start pasting all of my appliques onto the haathphool one by one. First of all, I'll be using the lower layered leaves and twigs. Then on top of that, I'll be using flowers. Now I'll join the wristband to the ring. The tutorial on how to make this ring can be found on my YouTube channel. I'll be using needle and thread to join the two, and in thread I'll be putting all the pearl beads, golden pearl beads. I'll fill up another string of beads and join it with the wristband. And ta-da! It's done. You can wear your haathphool whenever you wish. Most probably on a Mehandi function of your friends or your own, and they look really awesome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.